Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Marjani, being Marjani, and I'm back again with another hair video. As you can see in the title, I can't find it. As you can see in the title, I failed. This was a fail, but I did try. But still, watch the video. You can learn from my mistakes, see what you're not supposed to do. I found out a few things that I did. That was a very terrible choice. So, you can learn from my mistakes, because I am that kind to you guys. I also want to say thank you, a big thank you to you all for subscribing to my channel. I really never expect this. We're at 122 subscribers, guys. I fully respect it. I love it, and I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the family, and I hope you just continue to enjoy and have fun, beautiful fun. This lighting is not doing me justice. Hello, but yes, enjoy the video and continue share to your friend them, subscribe, tell your friend for subscribe, tell your auntie for subscribe, tell your nephew for subscribe, tell your niece for subscribe. All of them are baby, understand? I'll appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, I really truly appreciate it. So yeah, so continue to share, continue to like, continue to comment. I'm definitely here to interact with you guys, willing to have more fun with you guys. Oh my gosh, can't wait to have more fun with you guys. I have a lot of things planned for this channel, so stick around and see. Okay, so that's all I have to say, I guess. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Marjani, and I'm back again with another hair video. So I think I'm going to make this a series. So basically, I've tried many hairstyles before my natural hair and they have failed, but I'm going to try again for you guys so you can see how my process is, and you can learn from my mistakes, or maybe I will learn from my mistakes and show you how to do it. Who knows? But yeah, stick around and check out for the video. By the way, I forgot to say I will be doing a braid out this time, and many times before I usually fail my braid outs. It usually just never work overall. So I'm going to try again and let's see how that goes. So these are the products I'll be using. I said this many times before, I don't have any other moisturizer. So I'll be using this Shea Moisture. You know what I mean. I'll be using gel because my hair tends to fizzle easily, so I use gel to keep it together because hairstyle lasts for more than 1 day. And lastly, a perm roller, but this is a small one. This is for my ends because I'll be doing big plaits or braids, you know what I mean. But like when it comes to the ends, I can't just coil them, it doesn't stay, so I have to use these. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, hopefully this turns out okay. Hopefully I look okay because I need to go on it tomorrow. And yeah, so let's see what happens in the video. Okay, so now I'll be parting off my hair. So I'll be parting off the front part first. Bear in mind, you don't have to make the sections perfect. If you make it perfect, then when you pull out the braids, it's going to be evident and it's going to be hard to hide those parts after. So just make it raggedy so it's easier to like fluff out and hide when you pull out the braids and you have the hairstyle, because it's going to look weird when you have like the curls from the braid and then it's like the parts showing. Figure what I'm saying? So yeah, so just freestyle the parts like I'm doing with my hands. Take your time, please. You don't want to damage your hair. so this is the front section. Oh my gosh, guys, I have a forehead. If you never know, now you know. So yes, that's the front section. Jeez, I know so much aim up. Oh, you see this? People, you see this? You see this? I have a lot of it. I can't remember here, so yes, this actually, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I like it. So yes, that's the first section. My hair is so much. Boo-hoo, get over it. Gosh. Then you go and you part the back in half now. Right. Ooh. Now you can follow my sections, but I must advise you to go with how your hair is. For example, my hair is quite thick, so I will probably have to do more sections. But if your hair is thin, you can do big sections, you know. So yeah, if you have more fine hair rather than thick hair, you can do bigger sections, and it's supposed to come out the same. But as for me and my hair, I have to use smaller section. So yeah, you see what I did there? You see, yeah. I caught myself up. So yes, don't know about it. Jeez, I'm gonna do more arc. Just touch it over this one. Mini tutorial on how to do a mohawk. Mini tutorial. Whoa, see there? Okay, so yeah, so we have these two top sections as I said before. Now we're working with the back. Bum bum bum. So I'm going to take the back section and split it into four big sections. And then after splitting it into the 4 big sections, I'm going to take each big section and split it into 2. 3 and 4. So I'm going to use rubber bands to separate them. I'm just realizing I don't have enough. Now I want you to listen closely and look closely as well. So as I said before, I'm taking one of the big sections that are parted into 4, and I'm going to take it and split it into 2. Right, so now it's in 2. So now I'll be taking the bottom piece. So now I'll take my water, spray my hair. Then I take my white tooth comb and comb out my hair. And then I take my moisturizer, that's what it's called. So because I'll be using gel as well, I don't want to be dipping my hand in the moisturizer and in the gel in my nice buckler moisturizer. So I'll be putting it in a small container. 12 ounces. So I take a small amount of the moisturizer and I put it on the hair because little goes a long way with shea moisture for my hair. So yeah, take that wet section, douse it in moisturizer because you don't want to pull out your hair and then it dry. You know, that's embarrassing. Make sure you get them ends. Treat them ends good. gel. So I use the Wetline Extreme Gel. It works best for me. I don't use Eco Styler. It's the worst gel I've ever used in my life. So yes. So now, after putting the gel, you don't want to put too much because I should use my tongue teaser. Because I want to ensure best results, I'm going to use my tongue teaser as well. So yeah, your hair has to be properly detangled. Split it into 3 sections and then you plait in whichever direction you like. So to get great curls, I would advise to plait it tight. Don't plait it loosely because you want them curls to be narrowing. So yeah. And yeah. That's about it. If you feel any tangles, comb it out. Oh, as I'm at the end, I just remember. So you know when you're plaiting and then one piece short, say take piece from one and then put it on the short one. Yeah, with this hairstyle it's best not to do that because you're not going to get good results. Yeah, it's just going to frizz up, so don't do that. And yeah, so because I'm near the end and that's what happened to me, I'm just going to put the flexi rod here. So I'm gonna add more gel. As I see, I just comb it out a little more, and then I'm gonna just add the flexi rod. I don't even know how to use flexi rod. I think this is right. Is it? Hopefully it is. But yeah, that's my first section. That's my first section. Okay, so that's basically the end of the tutorial. Right now I'll be explaining the mistakes I've made, and while doing that I will continue to show the video so you can know exactly what I am talking about. So we're about to approach our first mistake. 1, that stuff. You see how much white stuff, how much showing out in the hair? That means I used too much product. When you see this in your hair, please, I beg you, use 2 fingers and wipe it down the plait so you can take out the excess product, because when you leave that in, child, it causes buildup. So when you pull it out, flakes on top of flakes on top of flakes, I tell you. Another mistake. In the takedown process, I didn't ensure that my hair was 100% dry. I knew it wasn't 100% dry, but I had somewhere to go and I had to rush, so I pulled it out the same way, hoping that, it would look okay. Error. I was wrong. It turned out horrible. Like, literally no crimp. Only at the back. Only the back was almost dry. Not even the back was dry. So I basically wasted my time doing this hairstyle just because I didn't wait until it was 100% dry. So please, I beg you, wait until your hair is 100% dry. Okay? Thank you. So yeah, that's basically it for my mistakes. I only made 2 mistakes, which is having too much products and not waiting until my hair is 100% dry. Can you believe it? Just 2 things made my whole hairstyle a fail. I will show you what I end up doing to my hair soon, so stick around for that. But yeah, you can literally still use the process I did, but just take the tips into consideration as well. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. This is how it looks. I hate it at the moment. I should say it look nice.
But it looks nice in the picture. That means that you think you look nice. You just never get what you want to. You do think you look nice. You just got up on the photo and you want it. So you do think that it looks nice.
It don't look nice. I don't know. Like tell me what you think. It's something. I try to fix it with a twist at the front and a headband, and that's about it. This is a hairstyle, and yeah, I guess this is the start of the series of trying hairstyles that I already failed at and failing again. See you next time. This is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. Oh, oh, oh. Bum, 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 bum. This is the end of the video. Yeah.